Welcome to Powerops Desktop. Managing security roles in Power BI can get complicated, especially when you're dealing with both role level security and object level security. But with Powerops, it becomes so much easier to see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. In this video, I'll show you how Powerops makes it super simple to analyze both static and dynamic RLS along with multiple OLS setups all in one place. Under Analyze tab, when I open the Roles section in Powerops Desktop, it shows me exactly which tables have RLS applied, the specific filter expression used to filter data. It also tells me whether it's a static or dynamic RLS. In my demo file, I have applied two types of RLS. Static RLS, where specific roles are tied to fixed values, and dynamic RLS, where access changes based on user login details. It's so much easier to manage and troubleshoot RLS when you can see it laid out like this. Now let's take a look at the object level security. I have set up two different OLS scenarios. One role prevents access to an entire table, and another role has access to the table but hides specific columns. PowerOps shows exactly which role is doing what, which table is hidden under OLS, which specific column is being restricted, whether the OLS is applied at the table or column level. No more guessing or checking settings manually. PowerOps makes it obvious. When you can see all RLS and OLS settings in one place, you can instantly identify misconfigured roles, quickly adjust security settings without digging through menus, ensure data access aligns with compliance and governance rules. PowerOps gives you full visibility and control over Power BI security. Download PowerOps Desktop from our website today and take control of your Power BI security.